Hi guys, good afternoon. So we're doing a squishy bath again. In the last video, I opened my light blue crunchy squishy. Look at it. So relaxing. So yeah. We have all of these, so let's dump them all out. These are just a big pile of squishies and Neatos. Let's add more to this pile. Alright, here's a big pile of squishies and Neatos. No, beautiful, I'll be right back. Okay, so we put some soap in there. I'm just gonna mix that up, so be right back. Alright guys, I'm just gonna rub this soap in. Alright, you guys have a whole entire view. So I might as well just throw the squishies on there. That's your perspective. Alright, so first we're gonna be throwing in this nice, relaxing pickle. This is Mr. Pickle. Say hi, Mr. Pickle. That's how he waves. Oh, okay. That's also accepted. You can go in like that. So that's Mr. Pickle. He's in there. Okay, we're gonna jump these two dumplings, my ultra rare and my common. That was cool how I did that. What up, guys? Yeah. Next, a dumpling, what do you call it? Marshmallow Kid. Oh my gosh, I thought the toilet was open. My dumpling, butter, and Neato popsicle. Pick a popsicle landing up here. Alright, next, 3 Neatos, some dumplings. Ooh! And another dumpling! Woo! That was a big splash. More dumplings! And my icy, some more dumplings. My icy and my crunchy squishy. And my tap squishy! Woo! That was big. I had to clean that up. Look. Yeah, there's water on the door. I had to clean that up. I'll be right back. Okay, so now the door's clean. Oh, shoot. Okay, so we still have them. And we have the bath. I wish I could just take the curtain down so you guys can see it. I can take this down. Try to skin that to the side. Alright, let's put some more in. We got some more dumplings. We're just going to put them in gently now. We don't want what happened last time. The water spread on the wall and all that. The icy squishy, a butter dumpling, an ice cube Neato, very real, a gumdrop Neato, my Swedish fish, and my stress ball, my tab strawberry, and my gummy bear Neato. Alright. Oh, and this tab squishy. And this guy too. Oh, shoot. Okay, guys, so we just found a carpet inside the bath. So we're just going to keep that just in here. Might as well just keep the carpet in here. Because the carpet was already in here. So, yeah. So you might not see me down here, but I'm going to clean all these squishies with this. Yup. We're getting all jiggly clean. Clean you, Mr. Pickle. On your armpit, on your bum, on your back, and on your stomach, on your eyes. I'll get you, Mr. Gumdrop. While they soak, I'm gonna try doing a challenge where I have to try finding one of the squishies in the back. So first, let's do Icy. Icy squishy, Icy squishy, Icy. Where are you? I'm calling out. There it is. Icy squishy. Okay, I'm gonna put this towel around all of this. Okay, next, Dumpling. Dumpling. Don't worry, I don't care if there's water because it's gonna drop and hit the towel under here. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Dave and Buster's squishy. There you are. I adore this. Like, I actually do. Alright. And finally, my butter. Wow! Right here. Also my, okay, right here. We have the butter. We have the butter. And remember, I'll clean this all up. The water literally went down underneath of my shirt. Alright. You guys, they're gonna drain out their bath and I'll be right back. Alright, after a quick change, we finally are ready to do this. Yes, we had a change. Alright. First to come out is my ice cube Nido. Should I make a video tonight where I put one of my Nidos in ice cold water and then see on it tomorrow? I'm gonna do that. Okay. Stay tuned for that. I might do it today or tomorrow. Ooh. First we got our Nido. Some dumplings and these. The carpet just still in here. So I'll check underneath the carpet. I'm just gonna grab all the squishies that are like right on top of the carpet. Alright, all you guys are gonna be the first to get in to the bin. Can you guys see me down here? Alright, so you might not be able to see me because it's very low down here. But I'm gonna put the bin, this bin, it's gonna go right here. Alright. So first, guys, we're gonna start putting these in the bin. We also have this, some squishies go in this too. So we're just gonna throw all of these guys inside of here. And that's gonna fill up this whole entire bin. I think we can fit like 3 more. So my butter, Tab, Squishy, and Brain, and Popsicle. So your butters, if you put them in, you're not supposed to put your butter in the back, but of course my butter, it was built different. It doesn't have a logo on it. That means it's strong. Okay. So I think the butter's good. Then we just have to clean the Popsicle, Nido, and my strawberry Tab Squishy. Bin set. We'll put my bin right here. This one part, guys, they're set. Now we have these guys. Some Mr. Pickles, some more dumpling squishies. This squishy, my brand new crunchy squishy. It's my brand new crunchy squishy. I love this thing. It's like so satisfying. I'm actually happy I bought it. all my squishies. So my dumplings come from Hallmark. My Mr. Pickle came from Five Below. Also my stress ball, Hallmark. Tab of Squishies, Amazon. Neatos, Amazon. Hallmark free stocks on Friday, Monday, and Wednesday. Restock days for them. So go check them out if you want to. I'm just putting these squishies in there. I'm just going to make sure there's no squishies underneath of there. Aha, there was squishies underneath of there. These guys were underneath of there. And my little cute mochi. Okay. So let's try them. Also, I was saying my stress ball. This was from Hallmark. You can say Market or Mark. My cube, Amazon. Hallmark and Neato. Mochi, I think from school. Alright, well that's all for today. We got this whole entire bag. And we got this whole entire bag. Oh, but it's not fully filled to the top. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.